Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of different marketing tools and platforms? As if running your trading vendor business wasn't enough, right? What if I told you there's a way to streamline everything into one easy-to-use platform? Introducing QuantKey Growth Hub, our all-in-one sales and marketing automation platform. From social media management to CRM and sales pipeline, it's designed to be your comprehensive solution. You can engage with customers directly through website chat widgets or reach out proactively with our SMS marketing phone system and auto dialer. Need to gather client feedback or book appointments online? We've got that covered too. Maybe you want to offer training courses. Our membership and course builder in QuantKey has got your back. QuantKey lets you stay connected with your clients without breaking a sweat using our automated nurture sequence email. Forget about logging in and out of multiple platforms to respond to your customers. With QuantKey, you can easily respond to all of your conversations in one place. QuantKey lets you manage invoices and payments as easy as clicking a button, freeing up time for what matters most, growing your business. With QuantKey, you can keep an eye on your brand image with our review and reputation management tool, because we know how important it is for local businesses like yours. And finally, make informed decisions with our advanced reporting and analytics tools. Track your growth, measure your success. Imagine freeing up more time to focus on what truly matters: your customers, your service, and the heart of your business. No more juggling multiple platforms, just one comprehensive solution that simplifies your sales and marketing efforts. QuantKey, our all-in-one sales and marketing automation platform. Designed for trading vendors. Simplify your success.